We're going to learn about silent H, L, P, and T. In some words, H is silent at the beginning. EI says A, so here we have the word air. Honor. Notice that OR, while it says or, at the end of a word usually sounds more like Honest. We can add prefixes and the H still remains silent. Dishonest. We can add suffixes. Honestly. This OU is going to say ow, hour, hourly, herb. Note that in the US, the H is silent in this word, but in some countries, the H is pronounced. If a word ends with a vowel and an H, the H will be silent, like in O, ah, and eh. EE says E, so this word is cheetah. Savannah, blah, shah, this I will be long, Messiah, and duh. There are some other words where H is silent in the middle, such as vehement, vehicle, and prohibition. Note that the root prohibit has the H pronounced, but once you add the shun, the H sound disappears. There are some names where the H is silent, John and Durham. If a word starts with RH, the H will be silent, like in rhino and rhythm. Note that Y in the middle of a syllable has a short I sound, and this TH uses the second sound of V, so the word is rhythm. And rhyme. This E makes the Y take on a long I sound. In addition, we have these combinations where H is with a consonant. W and H together in most of the US sounds like W, but in some parts it sounds like Hw, where the H sound is pronounced before a W rather than the H being silent. So this word is white. There are a few words with WH where the W is silent instead of the H, like the word who. SH says sh, like in ship. CH has three sounds. The most common is ch, like in chin. The second most common is k, like in school. OO says oo in this word. And the third sound is sh, like in chef. GH is silent most of the time, like in sight. There are some words where the H is silent, like in the word ghost. And there are a few words where G and H take on the sound of an F, like in laugh. When a word starts with PS, the P is silent, like in psychology. Notice the CH uses its second sound of K. And in Psalms. When a word starts with PT, the P will also be silent, like in pterodactyl, which was a type of flying dinosaur. Words starting with PN also have a silent P, like in pneumatic, EU says oo, and pneumonia. There are words with silent T's as well. They mostly fall into one of these two patterns, where the end of the word is sul, like in castle, wrestle. Note that when a word starts with WR, the W is silent. So this word is wrestle, apostle, and whistle. Words ending in sen also have a silent T, like in listen. OI says oi, so this is moisten. Note that the root is moist, but when we add the suffix, the T sound disappears. Hasten. The same thing happens here. The root is haste, and we add the N, and the T sound disappears. And fasten. Two other common words where the T is silent are often, although in some parts of the US the T is pronounced, and Christmas. Notice that the CH takes its second sound of K in this word. Most words with a silent L will follow one of these three patterns. In the first column, I have words ending in ALK. In all of these words, the A will take on its broad sound of ah. So we have walk, talk, chalk, and stalk. In all these words, the A has its broad sound of ah, and the L is silent. In this column, I have words ending in ALM. The A will have its broad sound of ah, and the L will be silent. Here we have calm. We can add a suffix to the root, and it doesn't change the sound of the root. Calmly, balm, and psalms. Notice the P is silent. Two words follow this pattern with a long O and a silent L. Folk and yoke. And two more common words are half and calf. If you found this video useful, please share it with friends who have kids who are learning to read.